Now we're going to look at one last example of creating one ring from another, and that is going to be what is called the direct sums of two rings. And what this really means, direct sum is kind of a weird term to use, but really this is just the rings that you get from Cartesian products like we looked at in class. So first we're going to explain the notation, then we're going to define what the direct sum of two rings is, and we'll do some sample computations. So here's some notation. So if you have the Cartesian product of two sets A and B, we use the notation A cross B. So this denotes a set that includes all ordered pairs where your first coordinate, your x coordinate if you want to call it that, is an element of A, and your second coordinate or your y coordinate is an element of B. Now for the direct sum of two rings R and S, we use a slightly different notation. R with a plus, R and S with a plus with a circle around it in the middle. Now the direct sum is a ring, so the elements of the ring are the elements of the Cartesian product R cross S, but it also has an addition and multiplication. So we're going to let R and S be rings. The direct sum consists of the elements of R cross S, the Cartesian product, along with addition and multiplication defined in the very natural way that we did when we were doing ring constructions in class. So if you have R and R prime and R, if you had S and S prime and S, and you're adding the two ordered pairs R comma S and R prime comma S prime, you just add the x coordinates R plus R prime, and then you add the y coordinates S plus S prime and put them in their appropriate places in the ordered pair. And for multiplication, it's exactly the same except with multiplication. You have RS times R prime S prime equals R times R prime, S times S prime. All right, so let's go ahead and do some calculations. So we're going to look at the direct sum of the ring of integers and the power set of the set with 5 elements in it. And the 5 elements we're going to use are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so here is an ordered pair, right? Or two ordered pairs that we're going to add together. On the left, you see there's an integer. On the right, you see there's a subset of the set containing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the x coordinates, add the integers, add the y coordinates, add the sets together. And then we just got to remember how to do addition. Well, for the integers, that's not so bad. 4 plus negative 14 just gives you a negative 10. And for the two sets, remember, for addition, you're taking the union, and then you're removing the intersection. So you're putting all those elements together and taking away 2 because 2 appears in both sets. So you end up with 1, 3, 4, 5. And if you want to multiply these two ordered pairs, so 6, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, comma 2, 3, 4, 5, you get 6 times 5, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 times 5 is just going to be 30, just regular old 30. And remember, multiplication in the power set is just intersection, so you just get 2, 3, and 4. All right, so that wasn't so bad. I've got some activities in the PDF file included with this video. It's called Direct Sums.